Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video, more of an informational video. This is a video giving you guys, well, I want to ask you all your opinions and your input with regards to some upcoming giveaways. These are going to be happening quite often because I have an overabundance of inventory. But first, hi, my name is Lady Lori. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I really appreciate it. I do have quite a few of new subscribers, and I just want to welcome you on board and welcome you to this quirky YouTube family. Yes, I do. You're going to hear a lot. You might see, go back and watch some videos, especially Mask Mondays, and you're going to see another person that is doing the videos. It's me, but it's my alter ego. Her name is Sassy Pants. She came onto the scene first. But this is my hotel, Lady Lori, and there are 5 of us that live in there. Me, Lady Lori, Sassy Pants, Smart Cookie. How do you best describe you? You're not necessarily boring, but she's always business with her. She does everything right, and she tells on the girls. And then over here we have Netflix. If you ever see us look in this direction, that is Netflix/lazy ass. Part of my personality trait when I want to do nothing but binge watch Hulu and Netflix. It's just you can relate, right? I know you can. Over here, I suffer from depression. And so I call this one insomnia because she is part of my life. She's been part of my life for a long time, 14 and a half years. It came on suddenly after out of the blue, my ex-husband asked for a divorce, and I didn't understand what was going on. Didn't know anything about depression. I knew nothing about it, never experienced anxiety, none of those. She was born, and she's been with me ever since. She is starting to fade away. Thank you, Jesus. Yes, we do have church up in here sometimes. But she is starting to fade away, but not quite as fast as some would like. Me and my husband. But anyway, that I call her insomnia because she keeps me up all night long because she'll sleep all day long. So it's insomnia/depression. Those are the 5 alter egos that occupy Lady Lori Hotel. So if you ever find one of those videos where somebody's doing something weird and it's me doing it, that's wearing something completely different, now you know what kind of YouTube family you just became a part of. And hey, it's free. There's not like I'm selling tickets to the show. It's free. Just hit the subscribe button. That one right there. All right, back to what we're doing here today. I want to go over some giveaway stuff. I've had this in the making for a while. Over in my kitchen, I have been gathering boxes of a specific size, and because I know some products that I get are awkward sizes, and I want to be able to ship them to you guys with no issues. It is a skincare beauty bundle, makeup beauty bundle, and a little bit in between of both. And in this in between box, you might get something like this. It'll have tools. You might end up with a set of brushes, little small set of brushes like this. You also might end up with, the little globe rollers. There's so many different things. If you can think of them, I probably do have them. And those are the items that may end up in this, what I would call right here, the combination beauty bundle. So you're going to have, what did I say? This one was over here. I think I said skincare. Skincare, makeup, combination. I'm gonna start with 5 items in each box, and what I would like to do, I know this is throwing a question out there to you guys that may come back to bite me in the butt. Let's just say it and call it like it is. It's gonna bite me in the ass. We all know it is. So Lori, you have one and you put it out there, but somebody says, oh no, but you know what? I don't need any more skincare. I don't want skincare. Okay, well, if I was doing the skincare beauty bundle, my question would be, then why did you enter? Okay, oh, that made more sense. Yes, it did. Okay, see, Sassy's like, she's helping me out here. You too, thank you very much. I appreciate it. See, if you're part of this family now, this is how it happens. But yes, I know. I mean, you hear what I'm saying? I don't want people nitpicking on the skincare and the makeup. And yes, once in a while there is going to be that one that has an assortment of everything. But my question is, or maybe I answered my question, I don't know. Technically, I'm not really asking you guys that question anymore. I withdraw my question to you guys because I really don't give. No, I'm going to put the boxes out there because I got to get rid of this stuff. And if people need it, if people want it, they're going to enter. If they don't, they're not interested. They're just going to say, hey, really cool. And they're not going to do anything having to do with the secret word. Okay. But this is something that I would like your input on. Do you like having me offer this to you guys? Of course, nobody's going to say no. Not one person's going to say, no, Lori, we think you should just keep your giveaways to yourself. No, my giveaways are pretty badass, you guys. They're pretty badass. I don't want you to be subscribed to me because I do giveaways. I really don't. I hope that you are here because you enjoy the content. I like to have fun. I'm not a very serious person unless I have to be, and it sure as hell is not going to happen on this side of the camera. It happens out there in my life. That's where Lori is serious and, you know, responsible. Other than that, if I'm over here in the captain's chairs, in the captain's chair, and I'm filming, nah, it's serious. Go sit down. Sit in the back of the room. We'll just call her Karen. Because I'm not interested in it. I want to have fun. I love conversing with you guys. I love chatting with you guys. I've gotten to know so many of you that I feel like this big old huge group hug of people, like my best friends. I didn't have friends like that in high school. I was made fun of in high school. I was picked on in high school. I was called ugly in high school. And when I look back at my pictures, hell no, I was not. No, far from it. Anyhow, it's just they were jealous. Sassy, you want to come out? You want to come out and speak for me? She's like going, pick me, pick me. Anyhow, that's the question I have for you guys. Also, I know that Sassy mentioned something about, and I think we answered this in one of the other videos. It probably played before this one. This is the ongoing giveaway that ends, I think, next week. Next Friday or something like that. I forget the date. I need to go check the video. She gave it away on her mask Monday with the Chick-fil-A fries and a large beer. Go check that video out. She's giving this away because she loves to give my shit away. So she's giving away this Pure Cosmetics Celebrate Your Selfie. All right, that's all I have for you at this point in time. This was just, like I said, an informational video. I need input though. I really do. And I withdraw that question that I had. Simple. Yes, it's simple, isn't it? Put your damn remote control down. Jesus, love and mercy. Good God. I'm over here trying to record, okay? I appreciate it if you leave your headphones on. Anyhow, that's all. Thanks for spending a little bit of time with me. If you would do me a favor, could you please fold up your chairs and put them against the wall on your way out? Some of those that left early, shame on you. You need to get back here the next time you're in here and you fold your chairs up and put them up against the wall, just right there on the way out by the door. Underneath the sign that says folded chairs. Yes, thank you. Appreciate it. Until my next video, you guys, thank you very much. Leave this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a dime. And I don't charge for tickets to see this party of 5. Take care. I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.